Hey everyone, welcome back. If you clicked on this video, you're probably eager to discover how to ace your exams and study effectively. Today I'm sharing my top strategies for achieving those A+ grades with minimal stress and time. Whether you're in high school or college, these 5 tips will help you maximize your study efficiency and make learning enjoyable. Let's start with tip number 1. Number 1. Develop a right mindset. For this, you need to learn things. First, understand that time doesn't equal knowledge. Many students boast about studying for hours, thinking it's a badge of honor. But here's the truth. It's not about how long you study, but how effectively you do it. During high school, I maintained a 4.0 GPA while studying just 2 hours a day. The key is to focus on quality study time. Second, believe in yourself. You need to cultivate a strong belief that you can succeed in any subject. Think of yourself as an academic warrior. This mindset shift can dramatically affect how quickly and effectively you learn. When you believe you can tackle challenging material, you'll find it easier to engage with it. Third, set short goals with deadlines. Here's where Parkinson's law comes into play. This principle suggests that tasks expand to fill the time available for their completion. So if you have a math exam coming up, don't give yourself the entire weekend to study. Instead, set a goal to study intensely for just 2-3 hours. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish when you focus without distractions. Number 2. Active recall. Active recall is one of the most powerful study techniques. You can do it many ways, but here are 2 effective ways to do it. First, practice testing. Instead of passively reading through textbooks or notes, engage with the material by testing yourself. Create flashcards or use practice exams. This method leverages the forgetting curve. Essentially, we forget information quickly unless we actively work to retain it. The more you practice retrieving information, the better you'll remember it. Second, immediate review of mistakes. After receiving feedback on assignments or quizzes, don't procrastinate. Review any mistakes right away. This immediate reflection solidifies your understanding and helps you avoid similar errors in the future. It's a proactive approach to learning that can save you a lot of time later. Active recall is like a cheat code for studying. Once you get into the habit of testing yourself regularly, you'll find studying becomes significantly easier. Number 3, make it fun. To make studying a fun thing, do 3 things. First, transform your notes into games. Use flashcards on platforms like Quizlet to turn your notes into engaging questions. When you make studying a game, it becomes less of a chore and more of a challenge. Second, incorporate technology. Don't underestimate the power of tools like ChatGPT. You can ask it to generate questions based on your notes or help you clarify complex topics. This interaction makes studying dynamic and keeps you engaged. Third, challenge yourself. Embrace a little difficulty. The Yerkes-Dodson law suggests that some stress can actually enhance your performance. So, set challenging goals for your study sessions. It's okay not to ace everything on the first try. Number 4, study environment. What do you like? Solo versus group study. Personally, I find studying alone to be the most effective way to concentrate. However, if you need a change of scenery, consider studying at a cafe or library with a friend. Just make sure the environment supports your focus. The other thing you need to do is to eliminate distractions. It's essential to create a distraction-free environment. Put your phone on airplane mode or lock it away. If you find it hard to resist the temptation, consider using apps that limit your phone usage during study sessions. Give a little bit of music and an ambiance touch. Some people study better with background music. Try listening to instrumental jazz, organic house, or even binaural beats to create an atmosphere conducive to learning. Find what works for you. Number 5, find your genius time. Lastly, let's talk about discovering your genius time, the hours when you're most productive. So the first thing to do is identify your peak hours. For me, it's early mornings, typically from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. But this varies for everyone. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl, identify when you feel most alert and focused. Schedule your study sessions during these peak times for maximum efficiency. After this, create a balanced schedule. Once you know your genius time, structure your study schedule around it. This will not only improve your productivity, but also give you more free time for hobbies and relaxation later in the day. I hope these strategies help you ace your classes while enjoying your life outside of school. Remember, with the right mindset and effective study techniques, you can achieve amazing results.